What's going on YouTube? I just picked this up. It's my hub. It's for my Civic. It came in the mail. I ordered it from Wish. I want to say it was like $7. I opened the package to see what it was, but yeah, it's the hub. It's pretty cool. This is actually backwards, but yeah, it came in this plastic bag. And then it came with the bolts and an Allen wrench. And my seats did come in today. I had to go pick them up because FedEx is messing up. Kept saying they're breathing, and then they're breathing, saying they couldn't get in the gate or something. But yeah, I picked up my seats. I got my harness bar. I also got my steering wheel that I did review yesterday. So I'm just gonna show this real quick. I'm still waiting for the quick release to come in, and then I can start installing it with the seats and everything else. But yeah, this is just the basic hub. You can put this if you don't want to put a quick release. You just put the bolts right here. Came with the bolts. There's a wire for the horn. And this is like a little like spacer it comes with. I'm just doing this on my phone. I don't feel like using my GoPro. And these are the bolts. It comes with bolts and screws, and it comes with Allen wrench keys. And one key and some screws. So it says if it's Honda, I think it's universal for Honda, but yeah, it's pretty cool. That's the box. It says Boss Kit. That's what it's called. It's like $6. I got it on Wish. I think I want to say I ordered it about a week, or not even a week, or not even a full week and a half. So not that long ago. So yeah, but I will do unboxing on the harness bar and the seats with the harnesses and the rails. I'll do all that. I want to say tomorrow, but if not, the next day. I'm making busy, so I want to unbox them, but I don't want to take them out and then not put them in. Just have them sitting in my house collecting dust. So I do want to actually do that. So I will do a video on that, and I do have more stuff coming in. I ordered some headlights, I ordered some tail lights, I ordered some headlight bulbs. So I am doing a lot of stuff for the car as I go, and I am going to. My brother is going to be building a motor for me. I don't know exactly what yet. We're going to do a build list. I'll do that. I'll actually film it. So I do, or I could go live and do it live. Who knows? But I'm going to do that also and go from there. So I'm basically gathering all my parts and stuff, and then I want to get some rims too. The tires are pretty good on there. I still need to do a video on the interior. I know I said I'll do that, so I have to do that before I change it out. So I'm gonna show you the old interior, and basically I'm gonna clean it, take the seats out. I'll do that live, and not live, but I'll do a video of that, so I have more content and try to keep up. But yeah, so for now, I mean, this is only a quick unboxing, or you can call it a review. It's a Wish hub, like I said, Boss hub. It was $6 with shipping. I want to say it was like probably total of 10. I have every exact receipt for everything. I have orders with exact prices, so I can do a tally up and see what everything costing me. But thank you guys for watching. Just keep liking my videos and subscribing. Leave me comments in the bottom if you want to give me some suggestions or what color or what I should do to the car. And we'll go from there and keep watching my videos. Thank you and peace out.